Somebody was threatening me that in Canada, you don't need to block. If you block, they're going to arrest you.
Really? No.
Yeah. What does that mean here?
Well, it means that, it's about climate change and all that stuff.
Okay.
One activity will collide with nature.
Okay. Okay. I see. I hope you don't mind.
No.
Okay, tropical forest here. Tropical forest. So let's go and see it. Tropical forest. Nice.
Yeah, it's warm. When it's
Yeah,
winter,
it's
you
warm.
come here, you feel better.
Oh yeah, the water is warm. Wow.
Look at the pines there.
Okay. Oh, beautiful. Let's take a picture. Tropical forest. Nice. People are also taking pictures too. Wow.
Everybody does.
Yeah. Warm water.
Yeah.
You don't even need a jacket here.
Yeah, no, if you want to remove it.
Wow. Woo. Yeah. Wow. Are they sleeping?
Yeah, I guess. Don't pull off because
Ah.
otherwise you become breakfast.
Oh, really? Are they so dangerous like that? This is a tropical forest. Like in Africa, we have forests like this, so thick and
It's
natural.
more like South America, but
Yeah.
it's similar.
So I mean the forest is created, right? They planted all these trees. Yeah. Tropical forest. So we have just 2 alligators. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Wow.
Here there's the golden monkey.
Yeah.
Some monkeys there.
The monkey. Okay. Oh, I've not seen a golden monkey. Why? They're golden color.
Yeah.
It's hybrid.
It's
It's hybrid. Hybrid monkey. I think so.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
That's because. Wow. Tropical forest. Real thick forest like Africa.
Yeah. Similar.
Okay, this is the heater.
Sorry?
The heater. Oh, the heater
Oh,
is
yeah.
there. Yeah.
Probably. Yeah. They used to have little panels where they explain, but I don't see them now. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, here there's piranha.
Piranha.
Yeah, those fish that bite.
The bites?
Yeah.
Wow, this is beautiful. Carnivorous fish, right?
Yeah.
The bite?
Yeah.
But do they eat this?
Well,
Is it eatable?
Yeah, if an animal falls in the river, they eat it. So,
Okay.
quite dangerous.
Wow.
It's from the Amazon River, the one.
Okay, Amazon River.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Oh, nice. That's the water there. They are always under. This is beautiful.
Look to us, see the turtle there.
Oh, wow. This is the turtle. Oh, a big turtle.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, but it means they don't attack the turtle,
No,
right?
for some reason, no, they don't eat that one. But they eat other animals.
Other fishes.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's the explanation.
What is that? Okay, let me see.
Let's see something.
Oh. Okay, the yellow peacock bass. Okay.
No, these are not piranha. Sorry, I was wrong.
Silver dollar. Oh no, I think this is like a
Okay, no.
pay or something.
Yeah. No, it's not the one that I thought. Sorry, I was.
It is surface what? Slippery or surface. Wow. Is that a fish? Okay, okay. This is just like rock.
Yeah, rock.
They are small fishes. Small fishes. Wow, the glass fish. It's a bit dark. They are not much here. Oh, we have little ones. Very little. Glass. This is like a tunnel.
Yeah. And then there's the bats.
Yeah. I think those are baby fishes.
Yeah. Here there's frogs.
Frog, right?
Yeah, you see those the yellow frogs.
Okay, and the blue.
Green. You see all different colors.
Yeah. Oh, but they are very tiny.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nice one.
Oh, really? There's also a snake.
It's a snake?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, snake is in there.
There is.
They are always hiding. Okay.
snake.
Okay. Oh my God, it's big.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but this one is more big.
All the things we see them in Africa, so it's not like too new to us anymore.
Okay.
But the creativity is what is. Where is the snake? Oh.
It's an anaconda.
Oh my God, anaconda! Ooh, it's just lying and resting there.
Yeah. Oh, I think these are the piranhas. Let's see there. Yeah, piranha. These are the carnivore ones. Yeah,
What?
these are the carnivore ones that I was saying.
Okay, the carnivorous one, the carnivore.
Yeah, yeah. They're not vegetarian.
Yeah. Oh, that snake! My God, it's really big, man.
Yeah, yeah.
It's big. Oh, I like the water. Ooh, the other one is lying over there, the snake. Ooh.
Bats.
Bats?
Yeah.
It's a mouse. Yeah, bat. Okay, I know because bats love dark areas, so that's why they have been put here. Wow. Waterfall. Waterfall. Woo.
There's I think it's catfish.
Catfish.
I think. Plus, and there you see those animals there.
Yeah,
These are capybaras.
yeah.
Or like big rodents.
Do you have this kind of a
I love this fountain. It's dark here. You don't want to show in my video, right?
Sorry?
So we are really in a nice place. Enjoying this place.
Yeah, like those big animals there.
What animal is this?
It's called the capybara.
Capybara.
Yeah, it's like a big hedgehog, like a big rodent.
Okay, a big rodent. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This is big, man. Beautiful place.
If you want, you can go up. There's another floor.
Okay, we go there. So how do we get there?
No animal. It's more like
No problem.
things to learn. Yeah.
Things to learn, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at all these beautiful trees and leaves and all that. Palms, it's the
Yeah.
palms. You can just see nature and you have the scent or the smell
Yeah.
of nature.
It's
Beautiful.
a big difference with outside. No?
Yeah, this is so natural, man. Yeah,
No, in fact, I remember. So hot.
yeah. Just like the sun. Then you just start from the up, down. Wow. This is gigantic,
Yeah.
very big.
What happened? You got hurt?
Yes, iron. I was
Oh.
ironing clothes and
Okay.
thick forest. Wow, this is beautiful, man. So we are getting out of the tropical forest, like the zoo, and we are entering this section. What section is this?
This is like for learning, they explain how they feed the animal,
Okay.
how they heal them when they're hurt.
Okay, I see.
It's more like didactic.
Okay. So do they go there to take care of them, or how do they even take care of them?
Yeah.
Like
there
the
are
snakes.
people that are, experts and they know how to handle the animals.
They handle like the animals. Oh, these are nice purples, petals, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no, for
This is the monkey we saw before. That's the food.
okay. Oh, the food.
Yeah, the food. This is nice.
Like the clinic, right?
Yeah.
Clinic for the animals.
Yeah. They get sick sometimes.
Oh, cute baby. Wow. Okay, let's okay. These are different rocks.
Yeah.
You have the rocks, igneous rocks,
Yeah.
sedimentary rocks, and rocks. No, we studied this in school. What is this?
a penguin.
A penguin. A penguin.
Yeah.
Penguin.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the scheme of the biodome.
Okay. The scheme. Okay.
The red one is where we are.
Oh, the red one is where we are,
Yeah,
right?
the
Okay, the
tropical
red
forest.
Tropical forest.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
4 scheme. Okay. So are you all allowed to go to
Yeah,
all
wherever you
of
want,
them
wherever you want.
today?
Yeah.
If
wherever
you
want.
okay.
Yeah. You can even go back if you want to see again another part. You can
Okay.
stay as long as you want.
Okay, when once you get a ticket.
Yeah. No rush.
Ooh, this is beautiful.
Yeah, after you go.
Wow, it's actually good to stand out here and then view from the top.
Yeah.
Wow. Don't mind me, okay?
No, it's okay. I smile, okay, so I look good in the video.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Okay, let's
Wonderful place.
yeah.
It's nice. Park right, we are going.
We're gonna go down. We're gonna go back there.
Okay, go back.
Because there's another part that we didn't see. We finished the tropical forest and then we go to the other.
Okay. Wow. This is wonderful. Okay, we are getting down here, right?
Yeah, let's try here.
This is where we were coming from here.
Yeah, we came from there.
Yeah.
I don't think we can go back to the bus.
So we are going this way. Okay, we didn't get down here.
Yeah, this is the last part.
Okay.
Yeah, the bird, I think the bird is from Africa, from North Africa.
From North Africa?
Yeah, I think so, the ibis, the pink one.
Or the pink one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ibis rouge.
Oh, okay. So all these animals are taken from different part of the world.
Well, most of them, I think they're from South America.
Okay.
Maybe some of them from other parts.
Oh, the Amazon, right?
Most from Amazon, yeah.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the forest is done.
It's done, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So now we get to another one.
Yeah.
That is tropical forest.
Yeah. This is the Laurentian forest.
What?
Laurentian forest.
Laurentian forest.
Yeah. So it means near the Saint Laurent River. Okay.
Okay.
The river that passes through here.
Okay.
So this region here. So Montreal is like here.
Okay.
And the river goes up to here.
Okay.
And that's the forest that is in the area.
Yeah.
Okay.
North America. Yeah, it's a bit like cold.
Yeah, this is colder. Here it's colder. Well, you know.
They make the temperature to be like the forest, the place,
yeah,
like
be
the
realistic.
tropical is hot. So here is like not hot. Yeah. Children.
Yeah.
Ooh.
They have the sea otter.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at it. It doesn't know that it's in a glass.
That's how? Yeah.
Ooh.
They're saying hi.
Yeah. Wow. They are really enjoying too.
Yeah, yeah.
Essaie de toucher son nez.
They're sliding down there. They're going down here. There's a-
Okay, okay. There are many.
Yeah.
What animal is this?
It's a sea otter.
Okay, seahorse.
Otter.
Oh, okay, sea otter.
Yeah.
Okay. There are really many.
在跳舞呢，他们在跳舞呢。不然呢？哇，这个
Wow. Okay. The weaver,
The beaver.
the beaver.
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow.
Here I don't see. Yeah, usually it's swimming around. Maybe it's
This one, what is this one? This is that
it's a duck.
it's a duck. Okay,
Yeah.
it's a kind of duck.
Look at the one that has all the spikes. Then let's see. Maybe, oh no, they have the raccoon.
Oh, raccoon.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh.
They might have dropped their.
Wow, they are big. Oh, they are very nice. Look at their form.
I know that's right. I'm supposed to be a book, but they.
Oh, here you see the beaver is sleeping. You see, he's there.
Oh, it's sleeping?
Yeah, and there's the camera there.
Okay.
In this hole here inside, they
Yeah.
go there and they sleep.
Oh.
Okay. And sometimes they come out and they swim around.
they
but
swim
today
around.
yeah.
So you mean it's inside right now sleeping?
Yeah, this is the camera inside. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, the camera. Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so you see-
live from the Vira
yeah,
log.
yeah.
Okay. They are sleep. Okay, look at it shaking.
Yeah, yeah,
Can you
yeah.
see?
Yeah, he's having nightmares.
Yeah. They are special animals.
Yeah. These are those with a big tail that beavers know.
Wow. This is nothing is here.
No,
Or I mean tiny animals, a sea animal.
You see the duck that we were seeing
Yeah.
was there. Yeah, it was there.
They are very happy.
Here they have the lynx.
The lynx.
Yeah. It's like a mountain lion. It's like a wild.
Okay. Wow.
Let's see if I can see it. Oh yeah, there. You see the head. There. You see
Okay,
it?
okay, yeah.
See it? It's moving.
Okay. So we are entering a different place right now.
Yeah.
Is it? Where is
Now we
this?
go to the. Oh, this is the aquarium.
Aquarium.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a replica of the Saint Laurent River. Okay, and they put the fish and the stuff that is inside.
Oh, okay, it's aquarium. Okay, yeah.
So this is area.
I'll sell around. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So the
This is it. Okay. Oh, okay. That is great.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Thank you. Yeah, I'm saying it. I don't need to climb. I'm tall. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. This just like if you are in.
Okay, that's the bigger window.
This really the sea.
Yeah, yeah.
Surgeons.
Sturgeons.
Surgeons.
Yeah.
Wow, this is cool. Many. What are these?
It's a type of seaweed.
Oh, the seaweed.
Yeah.
A live seaweed, right?
Yeah,
They're alive.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes they dry them and then people eat them.
And eat. Okay, we know the seaweed. They just structure itself. Okay, that's another one there. Seaweed. Penguin. Antarctica. Thank you. Oh, look at this one. Enjoying. Oh, look at them. There are so many. Fall, I think waterfall, not fountain. They're taking a nap. All those ones are tired. Yeah, we ate it.
We
Yeah.
have to give the show for the people.